everyone. In today's video, I'm bringing you a new way of making money online. It is completely passive in a way. You'll see it's an interesting way of making money online. You can make up to probably $10,000 per month, and you can do it worldwide. And honestly, you don't need any money to start this. Let's go. Okay, let's get straight into it. So, I want to take you to a YouTube channel that's called Pro Walk Tours. So, when I was telling you on the intro that you can make money online kind of passively and you can do it worldwide, this is exactly the concept I'm talking about. So, this channel is literally just showing just the streets of different cities, as you can see. So let's check their videos. We can see they have 488 subscribers. And if you look at here, you can see that they have different length of videos from 40 minutes to an hour and a half. I mean, it doesn't have to be very long. You can make them shorter if you want to, but this is the concept. So I'm going to show you quickly what it's all about. Okay, so this one, let's turn off the sound. So this one was done with a drone as well, as we can see, and that's pretty cool. So if you have a drone, definitely take advantage because you can take so many cool shots that it could be very, very interesting to see videos from a drone like this. I mean, that's Google Earth, Google Map. But this is the concept. So you just want to walk in your city if you want to, walk in a park nearby your city. And as you can see, it's literally just walking and showing the surroundings of the place. And you can take different video clips. So you can take, I don't know if you can see here, you have different video clips that are maybe like 5 minutes long at the most, and you just walk around your city. This was done, we can see Italy, a lot of Italy footages here. Paris here, 5 hours and 38 minutes. That's super long, but as you can see, you just need to take your phone or a camera. If you have a GoPro, good, that's perfect as well. And if you go for walks every weekend, or if you go for walks a few times per week, just to distress, and to exercise, this could be a really good way to make money online. So here you can see this is in Italy, and let's turn on the sound, and you can hear there is nothing added to the video. Really, it's, you can hear the crowd, you hear the sound of the streets, and the person is just walking in the street. I mean, there's nothing special about the video, but just showing exactly how is the place. So now you probably want to know, how much money can you make with these types of videos? So let's go back to the main page here, and we're gonna go to this site called Social Blades. Social Blade is going to tell you around about how much this channel is making per month. And from what you can see, on average, this channel is making between $579 up to $9,300 per month. And guys, this is completely passive. Once you take your video and you upload it on YouTube, there is nothing else you need to do. You don't even need to add any music or sound, really, because you just have the natural sound of your surroundings. and you just need to add it on your YouTube. So you can add here, let's see, he added in the last week so far 2 videos. Okay, so it's probably adding 1 to 2 videos a week. If you, the more the better. It's always good if you can at least add 1 video per week. So if you go for hikes on the weekends, why not just take your video, your camera, sorry, take your camera or your phone or your GoPro and just film the surroundings where you're walking. Just film it and do what you're doing anyways. You're there to walk, and take a video. And then what you can do, I'm personally using, so I am using this VSDC, this software to edit my YouTube videos, and you can get it for free as well. So it's VSDC. You just type that in Google, and you can download the free editor. Um, I I don't have the free one. I have the pro one, but the free one is absolutely fine to do what you want to do. So you will just need to upload the video, and I can quickly show you. So this is the VSDC editor. So you'll just have to go here and you'll go to new project here. You just type it title and finish, and then let's do project. Oh, we don't want that. So let's go here, new project, project 2, finish. And here you go. This is how it's going to look like. And you'll go to this little video button here, and you can add your video. So once it's loaded on your computer, you just can add it here, and that's that. So let's say you're adding this video. I mean, it's already edited, but I just want to show you how you'll do it. So here you add it. You can add more videos by just adding more videos to this one. So it's going to just add it to this one. And then once you're done, and when you want to export your project, you just go to export project. And I usually use this to AVI, and I'll go to export project, and that's it. It's going to just download it in your computer, and that's all you have to do. So I want to show you the other channels that are really similar, and let's go to this one. So this is the same concept. As you can see, it's called Watched Walker. And again, let's go and check one of the videos. So this is pretty much based in, I think it's mainly focused on London. So if you go here on the first video, on the video I chose, you'll see that it is the same concept. It's just walking around the neighborhoods. Well, it went into the London Eye, and that's pretty cool. But I mean, that's the kind of footages that you can do. And let's go and check how much this channel is making per month. So we'll go to Social Blade again. You'll just copy the channel here. And this channel is making between $261 to $4,200 per month on average. So honestly, the channel has 302,000 subscribers. It's huge, and is downloading, uploading. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like pretty much one a day here on this channel. And we have another example. Let's go back. If you go to this one, so same concept, really. Those are shorter videos. But let's go to this one. That's a short one. It's a 2 minutes and 33 2 minutes and 33 seconds. I'm gonna just well, let's put the sound just to see if like there's anything special in this one. Okay, so this one is a little bit different, but it shows you the city. I mean, there's a background music, obviously. Um, Again, you don't have to add a background music, but we want to see how much the channel is making because the concept is the same. Really, you just that's more of a. It looks like more of a commercial type of channel. This one, but okay, let's see. Okay, this one is making on average between $72 to $1,100. But as you can see, you don't even need to make anything special. Let's go check out this one. All right, this one, 137,000 subscribers. You have all types of videos. I mean, let's go to Mexico City here and see how it looks like. It's only a 10-minute video, guys. It's really, really not long. You can literally film that with your phone. And it's really lagging. I don't know why, but yeah. So you literally just show the city. I mean, it's just filming the city, nothing special. Walking in the streets, it, like anybody can do that, right? You just need your camera, walk in the streets, take whatever is around you. You don't need to edit anything at all, really. And let's go and see how much this channel is making. Go back to Social Blades. And here we can see this channel is not making that much, but it's probably growing and it's going to make more over time. I'm sure the more videos you post, the better. This one is making between $31 and $488. Again, completely passive. There is nothing special you need to do but just walk around your city or a park nearby, or if you travel a lot, I mean, it's a great way of making money online. So, I mean, this channel was the one that really caught my eye. Um, it's got 488,000 subscribers. It's huge and it's making up to $10,000 per month, guys. So, this is to show you exactly what you can do. And as I showed you, just need to go to a free software such as VSDC, and you just take your videos, put them in VSDC, and export the project. And here you can literally post on YouTube. You don't even need to make a crazy thumbnail. Like you literally just need the photo of the city, the name of the city, and that's it. This is nothing special to do. This is just a very easy way of making money online. You can do it everywhere in the world, as I said. It is really worldwide. And the more places you go to, the better, obviously. But even if you live near a very famous touristic area, this would be a great way, to make money online. Your you can take videos of your city in wintertime and summertime, fall, and like find those different city vibes per seasons. Or this is super interesting, I think, and that's I think a great way of making money online completely passively again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. again for watching my video. I hope it was useful for some of you guys. If it was, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate, and that would help the algorithm. And I'll bring you a new way of making money online next week. See you guys.